of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam speaks about. He says, if you call out to Allah using al-ism al-a'zam, using the greatest name, then whatever you ask for, He will give you. Now that al-ism al-a'zam, we don't know what it is. You have to keep on asking Allah with all the names and qualities, so that perhaps you might have the chance, to find out or discover what exactly that name is. And the idea of keeping it hidden was for people to worship Allah through calling out to Him using all His names and qualities. Ya Rahman, Ya Rahim, Ya Ghaffar, Ya Tawwab, Ya Arham al-Rahimin, Ya Dhal Jalali wal Ikram, Ya Qawiyu, Ya Azizu, Ya Jabbar al-Samawati wal Aradin, Ya Sahiba kulli Najwa, wa Ya Muntaha kulli Shakwa, Ya Muqallib al-Qulub, Ya Qahhar, Ya Jabbar, Ya Azim al-Man, and so on. These are beautiful names and qualities of Allah. Every time you call out to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you use different names, different qualities in order to gain closeness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.